the numbers 1 to 10 before, after, and in between. Starry, have you seen this train before? It is called the number train. Look at the number on the engine. It is the number 1. The number that comes after the number 1 is the number 2. After 2, we have the number 3 and then 4. Now after 4 comes the number 5, followed closely by the number 6. Next we have number 7. After number 7 comes number 8. And then number 9 joins our number train. And finally, what is the number on the last compartment, Starry? Yes, it is the number 10. Isn't this a colorful number train, Starry? Now that you have learned to find the number that comes after, let us try to find the numbers that come before each number. Now the number that comes before 10 is the number 9. And the number that comes before 9 is number 8. Starry, what is the number that comes before 8? Right, it is 7. And of course, the number that comes before 7 is 6. Now, 5 is the number that comes before 6, and the number that comes before 5 is 4. 3 comes before 4 and 2 comes before 3. And finally, the number that comes before 2 is the number 1. Wow! With that, Starry, you have learned to find out a number that comes before another number. But Starry, what if I asked you, what is the number that comes in between two numbers? You look puzzled. It is easy. Wait, let me explain. Look at the number train. The number that comes between 1 and 3 is 2. The number that comes between 4 and 6 is 5. Isn't that easy, Starry? Now, what would the number that comes between 7 and 9 be? 8, right. And of course, the number that comes between 8 and 10 is 9. Starry, shall we do an activity together? Fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. The number that comes before 8 is dash. The number that comes before 8 is 7. The number that comes after 4 is dash. The number that comes after 4 is 5. The number that comes before 3 is dash. The number that comes before 3 is 2. The number that comes before 6 is dash. The number that comes before 6 is 5. The number that comes after 8 is dash. The number that comes after 8 is 9. The number that comes before 10 is dash. The number that comes before 10 is 9. And in this activity study, you have to fill in the missing number into the boxes. Shall we begin? 2-4. The missing number is 3. 5-7. The missing number is 6. 8-10. The missing number is 9. 3-5. What do you think is the missing number, Starry? Yes, it is 4. 1-3. 1, 2, 3. Correct. The missing number is 2. 7-9. The missing number is 8. That was excellent, Starry. Starry, with this number train, we have not only learnt how to find out the numbers that come before and after a particular number, but also a number that is in between two numbers.